Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is your friendly neighborhood tarot reader Ankan. I hope you are doing well. This is the monthly reading for Cancer or Karkan Rashi for the month of October 2025. This is a general reading based on collective energy, so it may or may not resonate with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can check out the reading for your other signs. If you don't know how to check your other signs, you can check out my previous video on zodiac signs. Link is in the description below. Also, do stick to the end of the video to know your monthly oracle guidance card for this month. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. So let's get on with the reading for Cancer or Karkat Rashi for the month of October 2025. Sun Moon Rising. So Cancer, I see that there is definitely new beginning coming your way this month. For many of you, this would mean a new beginning in money related issues, new income source coming your way. पैसा आपके तरफ आने वाला है या पैसा आने का नया सोर्स आपके तरफ आपके लिए शुरू होने वाला है ये मंथ. Because for the theme of the month you do get the Ace of Pentacles, so money definitely is coming your way this month. Also a new beginning for many of you this month, could be in any sector, but most probably in matters related to money and career. But this would be one aspect of the career. There are other aspects to your career this month. We'll get into those as we go along. Now the energy that surrounds you is of the Page of Swords, so I definitely see you being curious to know things. You will be curious to understand a lot of things. There is a sense of trying to gain more knowledge, more insight into things. And with the Page of Swords, there is always an element of trying to attain a more higher intellectual space, more higher intellectual energies overall, so that you may have more guidance. Now moving on to your career and finances, there is definitely some sort of something is definitely going to happen, and that will be associated with shock and pain. कोई चीज़ तो definitely ख़त्म होने वाला है, या जो भी चीज़ ख़त्म होने वाला है वो आपको बहुत कुछ सिखाएगा लाइफ में, बहुत कुछ रियलाइज़ कराएगा लाइफ में. तो ऐसा कुछ है करियर में जिसको लेके आप बहुत ज़्यादा श्योर थे, आपको लग रहा था सही चल रहा है, जैसा चल रहा है, या मैंने जो बनाया वो परफेक्ट है. You had strong feelings towards something, and that is going to break this month. The universe is kind of going to break it for you, so that there are a lot of things that you are misinformed about. जो आपके पास बहुत ज़्यादा गलतफहमी है कोई चीज़ को लेके, आपके करियर में, आपके फाइनेंसेस में, और यूनिवर्स आपको वही चीज़ दिखाएगा, बट the way universe is going to show you is a bit harsh, is a bit painful. And because there is a reason to it as well, whenever lessons are taught to us in life through pain and suffering, this stay for a long time with us, and we remember them for the rest of our lives. If the lessons are easily taught to us, we usually forget them as the time goes on. So the universe's way of making things understand, or making us things understand, is through a bit of a shock, a bit of pain, and a kind of a catastrophic kind of energy. Now when it comes to a love and relationship, very good energies. Someone is definitely coming your way this month. This person could be this person is possibly a very soulmate kind of energy, and If you're married, I definitely see you and your partner, your spouse. There is a fresh surge of emotions with your partner this month. Like for some of you, your partner could um, want to go out on a date, or take you out, spend more time with you, try to know you better. So positive energies through and through for you this month related to love and relationships. Now when it comes to your health, overall good energies, but there is something that you feel you need to do urgently. There is a sense of urgency when it comes to your health this month, and this sense of urgency is kind of pushing you to take some impulsive decisions. Now a sense of urgency related to health is a good thing, but any action, be it health or any other sector of your life, if it is taken impulsively, जल्दबाजी में अगर आपने कुछ डिसीजन ले लिया तो वो चीज़ अच्छा नहीं होता. Things don't usually go our way if we do things impulsively. So yeah, the sense of urgency is very good. You feel like you need to take professional help, or you need to focus more on your health urgently. Do it. It's like you should, but also do remember that whatever steps or whatever action you are gonna take, think things through a bit. थोड़ा सोच समझ के लीजिएगा जो भी डिसीजन लीजिए आप हेल्थ के रिलेटेड. And the other energies that is there, I definitely see an ending. Like I said, in most probably in our career and finances, there is an ending. There is, like, when this moment happens, when this catastrophic situation happens and you feel like you have lost everything and your entire principle or entire thought process has changed, or your entire thought process is being questioned. So after that happens, you are gonna reach a state of very negative state where you feel like you have hit rock bottom. Like आपके पास और करने के लिए कुछ है नहीं, आप खो चुके हैं. There is a sense of hopelessness here. So that is that. I don't know what else to say related to that, but definitely an ending. But the positive side to it is that the only way you can go from here is forward, is up. So there is obviously a chance to develop, a chance to grow, a chance to start afresh. But first you need to manage this situation, this pain, this sudden shock that you have received. Once you overcome this, then new things are gonna come into your life. So now the other energies that is there, I see you being in control, in at least in your love and relationships. Also, for some of you, the person coming into your life could be an Aries, but I definitely see you being very much in your power, very much in authority. You know how, like, what to do and what not to do, how to direct things. So a sense of leadership is there, a sense of authority is there, and there is also a sense of being driven by emotion. So usually when the Emperor card comes in a reading along with the King of Cups, so it's not just you being in control, but you being in control with the help of your emotions. आपको आपके दिल में जो आपको लग रहा है सही है, या आपको आपका जो इमोशंस है वो आपको जिस तरफ डायरेक्ट कर रहा है चीज़ों को करने के लिए, या लाइक बेसिकली आप जो भी करें या आप जो भी स्टेप्स ले उसको आप आपके खुद के इमोशंस के बेसिस पे ही लीजिए. देन ओनली यू विल बी गेटिंग पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट्स दिस मंथ. Also, I see you being in your own power, and that is the reason you have this control overall. Like आपके खुद के एनर्जीज को अच्छे तरह से समझ चुके हैं, आप उसी एनर्जीज को टैप कर रहे हैं, and that is the reason you have control over a lot of things in your life this month. Now, the energy that you should focus upon is the hanged man. So, there is something that you need to take things slow. There is something that is asking you to get a new perspective on it, to get a new outlook on it. चीज़ों को थोड़ा अलग से देखने की ज़रूरत है यहाँ पे आपके लिए. And the moment you start to look at things differently from a different perspective, that is the moment a lot of things are gonna get cleared, and you getting an overall sense of clarity and overall wisdom. Like the moment this clarity comes, a lot of things are gonna make sense to you, and आप धीरे धीरे समझदार होते जाएंगे वो चीज़ को लेके. So yeah, that would be all for the reading. Cancer. Now let's look at what messages or advice is coming for you from the oracle cards this month. You get inner child. So allow me to give compassion and love to that little one. Let me attend to his deepest needs and feelings. So there is a message of you connecting to your inner child. बेसिकली आपके दिल में जो है, आपको आपका दिल जो आपको कह रहा है उसी को फॉलो कीजिए. अगर आपको सपोज आज घूमने जाने मन है तो घूमने जाइए, मूवी देखने मन है तो मूवी देखिए, बिस्तर पे लेटे रहना है तो वो भी कीजिए. आपको आपका जो अंदर का जो बचपना है ना, उसको आप प्रमोट कीजिए, उसके तरफ फोकस कीजिए, एंड दैट विल इवेंचुअली ब्रिंग इन अ लॉट ऑफ जॉय, ब्रिंग इन अ लॉट ऑफ पीस फॉर यू दिस मंथ. So yeah, that would be all for the reading, Cancer. I hope you like the reading, and if the reading resonated with you, do leave a comment to claim the reading. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, have a good day and bye.